So in this video, I will be discussing about 5 best software testing skills which are in very high demand in the software industry. Number one is these days companies they just do not hire just a manual tester. If we know that automation skills, if we know the automation experience in certain tools, then only they will hire the people. If you know just manual testing, chances of hiring is very less. The complete shift is happening towards automation skills. These automation things are getting done to remove all the repetitive tasks. Testers time will go on executing our test cases on this browser, that mobile app, Android, iOS, and so on, which is more of a repetitive task. Same test cases are executing repetitively across all the browsers, all the platforms, all the devices. So that kind of task will be taken away by the automation. Manual testing will be there, but more of a repetitive task will go away, and that will be getting automated using any of the automation tools available in the market. There are certain tools like Selenium, Whatever, Catalan Studio, Test Complete, and so on. These are the some of the very best automation tools which are currently available in the market. Maybe you pick one or two automation tools from this and start working on it. That would help you to build the best testing skills so that you can also be competitive enough in the IT industry. Second top software testing skill which is in high demand is cloud testing. So these days, all the companies, everybody, they're moving towards cloud. There is no on-premise concept because all the desktops, all the local machines, now they are moving towards cloud. The cloud technology really helps to build the things very easily. We can work remotely very easily, and all the infrastructures will be available remotely using cloud technology. Also, software services also being placed in the cloud systems that would help anybody to access those applications, those services anywhere in the world. Because of this pandemic situation, the cloud technology is also getting evolved very faster these days. The third important software testing skill which is in high demand is security testing. These days, cyber security is a big challenge. It could be web security or it could be your mobile app security. Unless if you are not testing properly all the security features, security aspects for your websites or your mobile apps, then nobody is going to buy your product. Your company will have trust deficit because your website, your app is getting hacked by a lot of hackers. Hence, you should do a lot of thorough planning on security aspect and also come up with a lot of strategies. It could be your penetration testing or by doing ethical hacking. So where we are going to find the issues and gaps so that we can go and fix those issues. After fixing those issues, someone has to test to ensure that still things are not getting broken and still all the aspects, all the loopholes of security things are really working as per the requirement. Fourth testing skill which is in high demand is the blockchain testing. Basically the concept of blockchain is we are going to decentralize everything and we are making it more of a distributed environment. As we were saying earlier, one offices will be there everywhere, entire data center will be there in one place. Now things are getting decentralized, banks are getting decentralized, everything is getting decentralized, not everything is in one place. Now, because not everything is in one place, there are chances that people can access the system, they can pull out the data, they can do any modification, they can do anything these days. Because of this blockchain concepts, every transaction is been built using this blockchain technology. Then the fifth important testing skill which is in high demand is big data testing. The big data testing is a very challenging area, especially if you can remember, every big organization generates huge data every day, every minute, every second. There are huge logs will generate, huge volume of data is getting generated. and it is lying somewhere. If some companies, some organizations, some enterprises, they wanted to understand that data, what is that data all about? What can we bring lot of value addition using that data? Can we do some analysis using that data? Without big data, it is not really possible to do lot of different analysis, lot of validation on the data is really not possible. Hence, the big data concept is very huge, comes as an advantage here. Using this technology, we can store big volume of data as well as we can monitor the data, we can validate the data very effectively. That is going to bring a lot of value addition to the company, whether there is a trend of losses or trend of profit is happening. Even they can understand the behavior of the customer using that data. And people who are well versed with this big data testing definitely having a edge in getting top-notch opportunities in the software testing fields. So these are the 5 best testing skills. If you know, then definitely you can land up in a good IT companies with high paid salaries if you have these top 5 testing skills. I am hoping this video is very useful for you. If you guys really like this video, then please give a thumbs up to this video. If you guys are not subscribed to this Testing Shala YouTube channel till now, then please click on subscribe and bell icon so that all our future videos will be in your inbox as and when we publish our new videos. Thanks for watching this video. Bye for now. Take care.